So here we have our another app which use which can be used to download wallpapers. Let me show you. This is the loading bar. This is the loading featured wallpapers. You can directly just download it from here in even in high quality pictures. Download it, downloaded images. Here you can see high quality pictures. Also you can search if you wish of your own choice like Spider-Man. Just press enter and see the results. Here it is loading. These are the images and these are the group or you can say user profiles. These are images you can directly out or you can go to this categories. Simply there are categories. Just click on this view and it is another open another tab showing all the images inside this category. Just press download. Taking time due to the slow internet. Not responding. Slow internet. As you can see here, it will be downloaded after the time it will take. I think it's completed. Let's see. It's really high quality pictures. So this was a simple app. This was the group. You can close it. Either you can open another group. Just scroll here. Go PS5 view. You can download. Just download it. Images are being changes. I think it needs some updates. It will be fixed soon. But here is the demo of this app.